हेलो कूल गाइस सो अभी भी मैंने माइक चेक किया लेट मी गो विद द लेटेस्ट रिकॉर्डिंग्स सागा 003 हाँ ठीक है ऑडियो ओके लग रहा है ये भी ओके ऑडियो वीडियो ओके you can comment guys if you are here actually right now I think I am the only person who is live. That's okay. So let me show you the project which I was working. Actually, I was away for a long time. I would say was away. It was due to marriage. My friend's marriage was there, and I got a kind of break. A lot of days. Cool. So if let me know if my screen is visible. I'm just sharing my screen. Cool. Okay. Don't go into these things. These are the questions. Actually, some of the questions are from some interview which I am facing currently. And right now, I don't know where we had covered this video, what services I had covered in the second live. So yeah, let me show you the different services which I have here. You can see API gateway, card service, and then we have inventory service, notification service, order service, payment service, and shared contracts some are there, and the user service, right? Different services are there. And what I can tell you, if you can see the Docker Compose file, these different ports are there, right? We have different services and different ports on which our different pods are not pods, I would say images or Docker images are running. Here you can see Zookeeper, Kafka running on 9092, Kafka UI. We can see what messages are there in which topic, and we can see the messages also, right? That's why we have here Kafka UI, and it is also a Docker image. You can pull it. Cool. So this was new addition. Then user service, card service. Everything is just like it was as before. So nothing new. Inventory service running on at 086, and here you can see these are the debug port. Okay, so we can debug it also, and these are the different ports on which debugger is running. So on your local, actually you can debug your entire Docker images or entire application which are running in Docker images. So you must be aware of remote debugging, right? Very crucial and knowledgeful work for that. We have to do some settings. I don't know if you are aware of that or not. From where I think here somewhere we have run debug mode, right? Yeah. So here you can see debug configurations. You can click on debug, and then different services are there. Not like this. I wanted to show you the different configuration. Okay, cool. Here it is. So you can see remote debug, right? So look at the different ports, how you gonna be debugging and connecting with your Docker images. So you can see the localhost of a card service is running on port debugging, actually debug port 5006. So let's see it. It's you can see, you can give the module also card service, something like that. That would also work. Okay. And then similarly, we have inventory service, we have order service, and payment service. We have not given it payment service. Let me apply this also. Okay, so this configuration is important. You can see 5009. This is the localhost configuration. So this is the debug port. Look at this payment service and remember the port 5009. We can see here 5009 port, command F 5009, which would be of payment service, right? So this is, you can see your debug port 5009. So on this 5009 port, it is going to listen and debugger is going to connect on your local, and you can debug it in your IntelliJ only. Cool. Okay. So now what I want to show you related to Saga. These services I have already shown you, I think. Let me show you the running version. Maybe in previous live I have covered a lot. So let me show you running version. Let me open. Okay, so here you can see we have different terminals and different commands. Maybe if I have the history of the commands. Okay, I have. So we can have this card service command is there. Okay, so it's history console consumer. I don't want to grab that. Okay. Okay, let me create the commands. Let's create the commands one by one, and we will run in each ones. So first, where it is? Let me run the Kafka console consumer, not like this. Export path. I want to see. Okay, API gateway we have. Let me run one by one. First, where is this API gateway? Let me run this command. We will see if it is running or not. And after that, we have application card service. Let's see this card service also. Okay, let me run this card service. And then, what is the problem? Make bootable export path application. Docker compose of open build API gateway enable to get image Olama inventory service cannot connect to Docker daemon. Okay, this is because I have not run the Docker. So I have to run the Docker. So I have to run the Docker. Hello, Moto. 1 second, guys. 1 second. हेलो आगे क्या हाँ यस ब्रो लाइट का मेरे यहाँ पे वो उसका पॉली कैप का लगा हुआ है पॉली कैप का वो जो नया वाला आता है ना वायर वो क्या नाम था यार दो आता है उसमें पॉली कैप में अरे यार मैं एक तो हाँ ग्रीन राइट राइट पॉली कैप ग्रीन हाँ तो कुछ देख किसका फिनोलेक्स का तो पाइप बनता है ना वायर का मुझे उतना आइडिया तो हैवेल्स का ले लेना अगर तेरे को उसका हाँ तो ठीक है फिनोलेक्स हम्म पॉलीकैप हैवेल्स वीगार्ड काई इंडस्ट्रीज काई के ई आई वाला फिनोलेक्स ठीक है कोई दिक्कत नहीं है कितना पड़ा है तेरे को 1,30,000 आ रहा है ठीक मतलब हो जाएगा तेरा एरिया लंबा भी तो है ना 3,000 स्क्वायर फीट से ऊपर ही है ना हाँ, पड़ जाएगा ठीक है कोई नहीं सब पढ़ने चलने दे अभी तो तेरा स्विच विच का भी आएगा अभी तो वायरिंग करेगा ना लगभग इतना ही पड़ जाएगा तेरा इतना तो नहीं आधा पड़ जाएगा कम से कम 50,000 तक पड़ जाएगा हम्म, ठीक ठीक चल कर ले उसको हाँ अभी आया था अभी तो बिल्कुल आया था 1 सेकंड आज नगेरो वाला था, नगेरो का था, तो उसने एचआर ने शायद अप्लाई, उसको कॉल किया 3:45 बजे, 4 बजे का शेड्यूल किया था, कोई इनवाइट ही नहीं भेजा। तो मैंने कहा कि भाई रानंद, मतलब उसको मैसेज डाल दिया, उसका स्विच ऑफ आ रहा था, उसको फ़ोन किया। और अभी टीसीएस का बोला है, टीसीएस का कि फ्राइडे को करेगा। मैं कह रहा हूँ कर लें, देखा जाएगा। आज मेरा एक इंटरव्यू हुआ, 2 था इंटरव्यू। बताया था। हाँ, जिस पेन स्ट्रॉन्ग दिया, हाँ स्ट्रॉन्ग दिया बंदे ने, कोडिंग करवा दिया यार, सब समझ गया था, सब कोडिंग भी सही लिखा यार, एक तो लाइन गलत लिख दिया, उसको सारा समझ नहीं आ रहा, दिमाग में काम किया वहाँ पे, गलत लिख दिया। उसने बोला था उसको मेन वही चाहिए कि सही से लिखना होना चाहिए। अच्छा, वो तो नहीं करेगा शायद शॉर्टलिस्ट में को। फिर उसके बाद ये वाला हुआ था, एक और है एस्टर, हॉस्पिटल है कोई एस्टर को गाँव में। अच्छा, के आगे। दुबई में है इनका भी। नहीं ठीक है, अगर बात आपको सही लग रहा है तो फिर ठीक है। जितने इंटरव्यू लिया वो दुबई बैठा है, तो ठीक है, दुबई बैठा होगा। हाँ तो बुला के तो चले जाना, दुबई का मतलब रहेगा क्या बात है। का तो ज्वाइनिंग के बाद 1 वीक के लिए बुला ले क्लाइंट। ना ना, गुड़गांव ज्वाइन होगा, गुड़गांव में, ना गुड़गांव का, ना बेंगलोर का, ना कहीं भी कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, फॉर्म मिल जाता तो ज़्यादा अच्छा था। देखो अभी तो सिक्योर हम, अगर अच्छा अभी तो रिजल्ट Okay, guys, sorry for this. My friend had called me actually. Yeah, one second. So, yeah. So here you can see in my Docker desktop applications, you can look at these different services, API gateway, Azure service, inventory service, notification service. These are the different services which I have, which you can see in the IntelliJ. So all these services are running in Docker. Cool. And by one click, I can run all. But I want to show you just by command. Later I will run it out. Here, let's see if this error goes. Basically, we are running our API gateway. We are running. So let's see its status. API gateway, where it is. Kahan gaya, kahan gaya. Yeah, here it is. So super requested API version. Okay, कुछ Kafka image में करता है. Unable to get image configured CP Kafka request return 500. Okay, Kafka. Okay, it is looking for Kafka. So let me run for Kafka. Okay, here you can see I have. Let me run this. If it is able to find the Kafka here. Let me. Okay. My system is a little bit slow. Don't worry. Things will get better with time. You can see the warning. Your connection is unstable. Please. Wait. Try to run it. I'm just closing the Docker engine because it is taking time. A lot slow. My system it is. Let's restart the Docker. Okay, guys, you can see the images here. Everything is here, but Kafka is not here, right? Postgres is here, notification, Llama, everything is here. Mm, okay. Let me see if all the services are. Okay, it is starting. One by one. Okay, so let me see to the Kafka 8089. Let me try on different ports if any service is running. 2023 208084. It is running. Yeah. I'm restarting everything. It's building the Docker images right now, and once images are built, I'll be back when it is up and running. So guys, you can see all the application images. You can see successfully built, and then it is started also. So now let's check in the container if all are running or not. Yeah, you can see all are running, right? Now let me check. Let me check if things are working fine or not. Nothing is working fine. Health is correct. Health is good or not. It is not working. Where is it? There is a manner and here to change it. Now it is not running as expected. Same API also. It is not so. API. It is not sending anything. We have different DBs for now. I want to see if properly. यार दिक्कत कहाँ पर है मेरे को? रेडियो में चलते हैं फिर देखते हैं। दिस इज इन्वेंट्री फर्स्ट कार्ड डॉट चेक आउट, ये टॉपिक है। ऑर्डर डॉट क्रिएटेड जाएगा, फिर इन्वेंट्री रिजर्व में जाएगा, पेमेंट करना उसके दिन में रिसेप्शन। ठीक है, तो कंपनसेशन प्राइस सर्विसेज एंड कोर्स, वी हैव ऑर्डर सर्विस इन्वेंट्री and then different course and gets okay field inventory first. We need to run this command. Let me see if I am able to run this command or not. Connection reset by PM. What does this mean? Connection reset. Choice application parameters. Okay. We try. Question learning sentence. पर तो रन कर रहा है, काफका कनेक्ट नहीं मेरा, पता नहीं। रजिस्टर कर तो रहा है काफका को, यू कैन सी लॉन्चिंग काफका फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन, बाकी भी रन कर जाएंगे। एक तो रन हुआ लग रहा है, बाकी देख लेते हैं। नहीं होगा। एक और सर्विस लग रहा है आप हो गया है 8082 पे। कौन काफका यूआई भी थोड़ी देर में हो सकता है चलने लगे। शो यू द टॉपिक्स, बस काफका यूआई इज रनिंग। 8083 पे है तो चाहिए तो कोई नहीं, लोड कर रहा है एक्चुअली बहुत। यूआई रोटेट कर रहा है, मुझे लग रहा है लोड होगा। यस, इट इज लोडेड। ऑसम ऑसम गाइस। तो काफका का दिक्कत है, काफका का जो कंटेनर है वो रन नहीं कर रहा था। पुल the Docker image and then run it. And here you can see brokers, topics, consumers, everything you can see. And here we have, okay, you can see actuator is also running. It's healthy, actuator is fine. Okay, and if any other help here is there, let me see if this we can use. Let me so I need to print it. For that, actually, in Google Chrome, I see. Uh, it's loading. Yeah, here you can see all the mappings are here. You can see dispatcher handlers are there, predicate thread trump is also there, and head dump. You can use head dump. You can use head slice net. Okay, let me show this. Okay, now it is going to put the metrics. So you can see there are different JVMs related metrics are here. Okay, and what other endpoints are there? You can see It is up and running. Then actuator conditions side condition application context inside application. There are different condition classes. 21 configuration classes actually you can see unconditional classes are there. Okay. See here only which at least broker. Okay, broker ID it is loading. One broker we have. So here you can see the config related to broker, like how many partitions you have, set topic num partitions, it is showing 50 partitions, controller overall 2000. This is for the voting, like when a leader dies, then in that case how much time, after how much time new leader election should be starting. So it is 2000. SSL protocol you can see. And this is you can see after 60 seconds it is going to do this log flush offset your checkpoint. So it is going to flush the data whatever is in the memory, it is going to flush it to the Kafka after 60 seconds of idle time. Let me see. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Here you can see all the topics, right? You can see this card dot checked out. This is our one major topic. Then cart inventory. You can see these are the retries and different timers, right? Retry timers after 1 millisecond, or 1 second, after 2 seconds, after 4 seconds. This is exponential. Okay, so every timeout has different queues, actually topic I would say, and after retry if something fails, that would go into this retry. So every, you can see in here inventory is having timeouts based on different, right? And then you can go to this. You can see order dead letter queue. Here you can see dead letter topic, it is DLT dead letter topic. Then payment completed, payment successful, all the entries would go into this one. If payment is failed, it is going to into this one, and the tries are there, right? And then user register. If you register any user, it is going to be into this topic. So let me register one user, right? One second guys. हेलो हाँ अच्छा बाहर आया हुआ है ठीक ठीक एक सेकंड क्या चीज़ लगा मैं उसको 2 सेकंड बोला था खाया सेकंड दिया उसमें आइटम में को रिसीव कर लिया क्या होगा तब क्या होगा कैसे नहीं, मेरा वाला आया था तो एक ही में था सब। तो एक ही में था आपका? हाँ। तो हो सकता है आपको छोटा वाला था ना, लेफ्ट साइड में छोटा सामान है, वो भी इसी में डाल दिया। हाँ, डाल दिया। भूल गया। मैंने खोल लिया, वहाँ भी तो अभी क्या करते हैं, हाँ तो रीजर रजिस्टर करने के, लेट्स सी पहले कि पहला एप्लीकेशन रजिस्ट्रेशन व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, वी नीड this ये तो नहीं होगा, लेट मी सी रीडमी में है क्या। Users should be registered, right? Let me copy this. Let me use it as Chandra, and email is this one. It is going to get right. Leader election to the first of that. Nothing is there. Question card. User is running on user service. You can say आइटम को ही ऐड कर सकते हैं यहाँ से, create a user hyphen expert full name. Okay, it is created. You can see the response messages, user ID. We have this user ID, full name John Doe, email ID this one, MacBook this. Let's see if it is created successfully or not. Yeah, you can see the message count is on, right? You can see. Let's see the message. So user service is working fine. मैसेज ही नहीं दिखा रहा यार। हाँ आ गया। Awesome. So here you can see user ID 70, the same ID John Doe, and this one knockout, right? You can also confirm it in below also. It is there in Postgres. And user is successfully created. Once user is created, what it is going to, we have created use this one. So you can see. Let me use this curl command. Just copy this one. Let me open some notepad, and you can see the item. Now what it is going to do, you running source quantity 1, unit price this one for this particular user, which is John Doe. If everything works fine, then it should add. So let's see if it is adding or not. Actually we can, oh awesome, you can see. So it has successfully added. If we are able to survey this for this user ID, card checkout would be one message, right? There would be number of messages. One message in card service. ठीक है, अभी कार्ड में ऐड किया है, कार्ड का ऐड का कोई टॉपिक नहीं बना, कार्ड चेकआउट है, कार्ड ऐड वाला नहीं है। यानी कि चेकआउट करेंगे तब होगा ना। ठीक है, अभी कार्ट को ऐड किया है, मतलब सॉरी, जो प्रोडक्ट है उसको कार्ट में ऐड, सच है नहीं, कार्ट पे कोई टॉपिक नहीं है, चेकआउट का है। जैसे कि अमेजन वेबसाइट है सपोज, तो हम अमेजन में क्या करते हैं कि कार्ट में ऐड कर दिया, तो कार्ट में ऐड है तो पड़ा हुआ है, अभी उस पर कोई मतलब वो एक तरह से वो Kafka में पब्लिश नहीं हो रहा। सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर, इट इज गेटिंग पब्लिश इन Kafka, नाउ आई नीड टू राइट। So we have added the product which is running source. Now I want to add it to the cart. So let me check out this, copy to the clipboard, it is copied. Let's go to the notepad again. I need the same user ID which is for John Doe. Let me show you here. Perfect. Now once I do this, what should happen, it should be card should be checked out, and before checkout success seed इन्वेंट्री में इसको ऐड करना होगा राइट। तो एक काम करते हैं, पहले इन्वेंट्री वाला भी काम कर ही लेते हैं। लेट्स डू द इन्वेंट्री, इसको इन्वेंट्री में ऐड कर देते हैं, अदरवाइज देयर वोंट बी एनी प्रोडक्ट राइट। स्क्यू रनिंग सोर्स 10, तो पहले ये काम कर लेते हैं, इसको इन्वेंट्री में ऐड कर लेते हैं। लेट्स डू दैट, 10 क्वांटिटी, ठीक है। एंड एवरीथिंग इज बाय basically connecting with each other, communicating with each other. You can see product ID. Okay, so we have in the inventory we have added 10 running. Let me use this one also so that it will stick with us. Copy the, you need not to worry because everything I have committed on my GitHub profile. So these everything these readme for you all. So no need to worry about where I would get these things. You just need to go and fork the git repo and just work on your feature branch, whatever changes you want. Otherwise, just try this sample example which I am using. Where is PZ admin? Where it is opening. So now you can see we have added 10 running shoes in inventory. We have 10 shoes. One we are going to add to the cart and we are going to purchase it, right? If everything is good, everything is running successfully, then what is going to be, inventory should be reduced by one quantity because we have purchased one quantity, right? And here you can see in the card.checkout, once we will topic, okay, there should be some message. It's very slow. Let's, we are going to recipient name, you can see John Doe, and in the Kafka checkout there should be one message, right? So let's refresh it and see if we have something here. It is still not checked out, it looks like. Let's see in the controllers. Still we have not received a response. There might be some error. Don't see any messages here. You can see ISR 1. We have one replication factor, only one instance is running for each topic. And let me share the screen again. I think the screen is not shared. थोड़ा सा मच्छर मार लिया, बहुत काट रहे थे। और एक गजब, देखो ऑर्डर भी क्रिएट हो गया, यानी कि इन्वेंट्री कार्ड जो है चेकआउट होना चाहिए था, कार्ड चेकआउट, ये देखो ये होगा ना, कार्ड checkout में we have one message. Let's see, cards are checked out. Since Saga is in sync, that's why order is created also. Let us check the message where it is. So here you can see we for this it has created a card ID, and for that particular user John Doe recipient, you can see with this dummy card we had checkout and items. You can see this one amount is this one, order created occurred at this one. So now in if we check in inventory for this product, there should be only 9 remaining, right? Because one we have already used it. यहाँ पे देखते हैं, अगर इन्वेंट्री वाला आप है तो ये है पेमेंट का अप हो गया है, वेरी गुड। ऑर्डर अप है, पेमेंट अप है, इन्वेंट्री इन्वेंट्री टिक 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 टिक। सो where is inventory service, order service, right? So we can see code this one, http inventory stocks, command C. Okay, so here you can see check. Oh, look at this event, checkout event published. Okay, so we have successfully checked out event is published. Once checkout event is published, then what would happen? Order service will listen on this one, right? So actually sorry, that particular event, checkout event, order created event, consumer card of so let me find this. Okay, it is not here, it may be inside some service. So let me check if we have service, where it is. It should be right, somewhere it should be. ये तो रहेगा, ये तो इवेंट जो है उसने पब्लिश कर दिया चेकआउट के टाइम पर, लेकिन लिसन जो होगा ऑर्डर सर्विस लिसन करेगी कॉफका लिसन इवेंट्री रिजल्ट, इस पे हम ऑन विच वी आर checkout event. Okay, this event card checked out, this event should be there, card checked out, ये event चाहिए हमें, card checked out, where it is. Okay, and in order service we have this one. Okay, so on this you can see once this card is checked out, it listens on the card checked out. Once it gets this event, it gets triggered, and after that you can see card checked out, it is logging simply, and after that if everything is successful, it is going to fail if configured kind of this service method, and if everything is good, it is going to create an order and to publish into the, you can see cart items it is showing, then in the end it is going to publish in topic order dot created, and on order created after cart checked out, order is created, right? So this is the flow. You can see order is created, and created you can see the status everything. In this topic what should be there, it should be order is created, then payment should be listening on that, right? Payment service should listen like order is created, now let's deduct some money, and if that money is successfully deducted, in that case what is going to happen, it is going to create a payment successful. कहाँ गया मच्छर है? Check into sorry, check out into not check out, it is going to publish into the Kafka topic, which is payment successful, something like that. Okay, so let's see now order created. Yeah, here you can see one message, right? So this is successful. Let's see also this. It's a long live, but yeah, awesome, useful one. Let's go to the messages. You can see, wonderful. You can see order ID. Now what we have cart ID, we have user ID. First we have user ID, then cart ID, then order ID. Successfully we have created, right? You can see card details, everything is here. Cool. Also, and for this order ID there should be some payment, and let's go to the payment topic where it is. आजा भाई, हाँ. Okay, so here you can see payment is successful. Now we have a payment ID also. So we have user ID, cart ID, order ID, payment ID, right? So everything here we can see. And if payment is successful, then what should be there? There should be after payment, everything is good. Saga या तो पेमेंट जो है इफ सक्सेसफुल है, फेल होगा तो रिफंड होगा, फेल्ड के केस में इधर जाएगा, रिट्राई होगा, समथिंग लाइक दैट, और ऑर्डर कैंसिल भी होता है, पेमेंट इज कंप्लीटेड. Notification failed is there, but we should be notification success also, but it is not there. Notification success. Let me see if something is there in. Okay, we do not have any notification on which service notification. कुछ भी खुल नहीं रहा है, क्या ही चेक करूँगा. मुझे लगता है कि नोटिफिकेशन कंटेनर जो है इट इज़ नॉट रनिंग. नहीं तो सारा कुछ जब चल रहा है तो वो भी चलता ही है. The link of the project. Okay, here you can see I have Docker Postgres. Okay, and then in the order should be there. Notification should be entry because we don't see any notification. Yeah, it is. Here are schemas and then tables. Yeah, here you can see we have user table which we had used for using card checkout, right? So do this. The user, we have John Doe, and which ID we were using. Actually we have hit 2 times, so it has created 2 users on different times. But yeah, which user ID we have? 701. I think this one we were using. Let me check and confirm. 701. Yeah, this user we have been using. So corresponding to this user, where it is? Yeah, corresponding to this user there should be cart. You can see, let me show you the cart also because we had added in the cart. कहाँ गया. Okay, so here you can see one is कार्ट आईडी तो नहीं पता, यूजर आईडी देखना पड़ेगा. यूजर आईडी 07 से स्टार्ट हुआ था ना. Okay, this one, right? So this is successfully checked out today, you can see, and it has created a cart ID which is, you can see, starts from C9. Okay, so 701, this one is our user ID. Now let's see the order created, right? Where is the order. थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स है प्रोजेक्ट, करोगे तो मज़ा आएगा. सागा इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं, लेकिन मैं थोड़ा सा आई वाज ट्राइंग टू मेक इट कॉम्प्लेक्स जस्ट बाय implementing everything. Like I have used retry. Generally we, for sample project, we do not use retry, right? I have used proper logging, exception. So not Saga log. I want to show you the orders. Which is user address 701, this one. So here you can see recipient is on top, email address is this one, payment is this. And these are you can see different a lot of entries are there. These are created by me while I was making this project, and this is for the today one. And here you can see we have order ID also. So till here it is good. Order के बाद आता है अपना पेमेंट. कहाँ गया पेमेंट? इन्वेंट्री तो छोड़ दो. इन्वेंट्री अच्छा देख लेते हैं. इन्वेंट्री में भी तो कुछ ऐसे इन्वेंट्री में ढेर सारे आइटम्स होंगे. क्या क्या इन्वेंट्री में है जो कि वेबसाइट पे दिखता है. व्हाट different inventory stocks are there, just like so that we can show them on website in front end, and then we can choose some of them from there. So here you can see we have this running shoes with different ideas, SKU, something like that. And you can look at this what I wanted to show you. Initially this inventory was 10 in number, total quantity was 10, and since we have purchased one shoe, so it has updated the inventory and reduced it by 1, so it is nice, so it is perfect. Our inventory system is also service is working perfect, so inventory is good. अब चलते हैं. Now we want to go to the payments. Order भी cover कर लिया हमने. Let's go to the payment system. Where is payment table? Let's go to the tables. Awesome. Tuck, tuck. Payment का कहाँ गया? Save in my John Doe, right? This one. Cool guys. You can see here JVPVNF is this, and we have payment ID created successfully. And for this payment, so यहाँ तक तो बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहा है. हमारा एक one event is producing, basically one service is producing some event and the other service is reading, basically producing and consuming to the topic. Okay, the same thing, like one output of one output event of one service is input event of another. That's the same way it is, the same way it is working, and it is awesome actually. Now let's go to the notification. Notification में कोई entry होगा नहीं, because it is not related to notification. I have given my personal email ID and I checked in the email, there was no notification. So I think for John Doe there won't be any notification. Yeah, for Michael Wong it is there. For John Doe it is not there. I think notification service might be not running. Oh yeah, let me see some failure. I think what is there? No result given. कारण से रन नहीं किया है. और क्या हो सकता है? What can be the problem? Application failed. Rerun your application. Okay, let's rerun. Should be receiving, and now inventory 9 to 8. आजा भाई, आजा 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 आजा. आ गया भाई लोग. टर्म जो है कार्ट में ऐड कर. कार्ट में हमने क्या किया? we have run तो क्वांटिटी 10 था, ये तो हमने ठीक है. एक एक बढ़ जाएगा, दो दो हो जाएगा. वो भी हम देखेंगे सब में, क्योंकि हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं. एंड हमने ये सर्विस कहाँ गया? नहीं ऐड करेंगे. चेकआउट हो गया है, ठीक है. हाँ, चेकआउट हो गया है, चेकआउट हो गया है. चेकआउट हो गया ना, बाकी सब तो खुद ही करेगा. चेकआउट के बाद सारा कुछ खुद ही करेगा, डोंट वरी. तो हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना. It load, it's loading its time. अरे यार IPL स्टार्ट हो गया हूँ, कोई नहीं, थोड़ा सा कुर्बानी देते हैं आज। हाँ देखिए यहाँ पे मैसेज काउंट 2 हो गया ना, इज 2। तो नोटिफिकेशन अगर सक्सेसफुल है ना तो जाना चाहिए यार। मैं एवरीथिंग सीम्स गुड। You can see the previous offsets were 2, now this offset is 3, which is this one, occurred at 17. हाँ 5.5 7.5 19 होना चाहिए ना, कोई नहीं। हाँ 1858 का है, 1858 का तो पुराना हो गया ना जी। लेट्स गो बैक। 1858 का ये वाला नहीं है, इसका ऑफसेट ये होना चाहिए 1926, राइट। 7.5 हो रहा ना अभी, हाँ। So this is the latest one. Cool. So basically everything, our payment was successfully, payment is at this. सही तो चल रहा है, लॉक्स भी असाइंड है, सारा कुछ असाइंड है। we it, so let's check it. Awesome, inventory is working fine, everything fine. And notification service participants assigned, you can see it is going to payment रिट्राई 1000 2000 फेल हो गया क्या, रिट्राई मार रहा है। अच्छा ऐसा करते हैं, लेट्स सी इनटू द टॉपिक। रिट्राई वाले में नोटिफिकेशन का क्वेश्चन, यू कैन सी द नोटिफिकेशन सर्विस, सर्विस मेल फ्रॉम, यस ऑन विच इट, ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, तो वही है ना, बेन ऑन पेमेंट कंप्लीटेड इवेंट एंड द, अभी हमको ये देखो तो लिसन कहाँ कर रहा है, कब तक कंज्यूमर कब तक टेम्पलेट होगा ना, जा रहा है। मैं क्या चाह, मेल फ्रॉम ये चाहिए था मेरे को। हाँ तो जब ये कंप्लीट हुआ, यू कैन सी हियर लाइन नंबर 66, पेमेंट जैसे ही कंप्लीट हुआ, पेमेंट डॉट कंप्लीटेड, इस टॉपिक पे जैसे इवेंट आएगा पेमेंट डॉट कंप्लीटेड वाला, जो कि आया अभी, कहाँ गया कहाँ गया, अभी अभी तो आया था, पेमेंट कंज्यूमर होना चाहिए राइट। ये जो नोटिफिकेशन का कंज्यूमर है, नोट वन और लिसनिंग ऑन पेमेंट, ये ऑर्डर फॉर कंज्यूमर शुड बी लिसनिंग, और एक नोटिफिकेशन लिसन करना चाहिए, दिस टू शुड बी लिसनिंग, ठीक है। और इन्वेंट्री उस केस में लिसन तो क्या ही करेगा, और मैनुअली सक्सेस इफ ऑन पेमेंट कंप्लीट, स्टेप नेम है नोटिफिकेशन डॉट सेंड, तो लॉग कर रहा है ना भाई, टॉपिक नेम क्या है, लॉग गड़बड़ लगा दिया है क्या, नोटिफिकेशन सेंड बिफोर ईमेल फेल इफ कॉन्फ़िगर, लेकिन मेरा को नोटिफिकेशन आईडी क्रिएट कर रहा है, मैसेज क्रिएट कर रहा है, ठीक है। मेशन ईमेल सेंड्स अपडेट कंट्रोलर सर्विस डॉट फेल इफ कॉन्फ़िगर्ड, अच्छा नहीं, टीवी में तो अपडेट कर दिया, पेमेंट आईडी सारा कुछ जो है सेंड कर रहा है, पेमेंट इज कंप्लीटेड, यू कैन सी इस पे रिसेंड करेगा, नोटिफिकेशन फिर आईडी स्टार्ट पेमेंट कंप्लीटेड, ठीक है। लिसनिंग ऑन पेमेंट नोटिफिकेशन लिसन कर रहे तो उसको ट्रिगर करना है, प्राइम में तो नहीं चलेगा। I'm not able to find it. it is connected with Kafka successfully. It should be listening on payment, right? Search relevant payment dot completed. Retry can added letter Q में subscribe to topic payment retry 1000 2000 payment completed. इस पे भी तो subscribed. इस पे जब payment dot completed if the event is triggered then it that scenario what should be happening. Uh, Once payment is completed, it should it should create the message and send the email, and it's not giving that. कभी न किसी से दिल लगाना I think guys I have to find much यही क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं तो गाइस ऐसा करते हैं नेक्स्ट लाइव में देखता हूँ मैं इसको कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है फिर उसको कवर कर दूंगा वैसे तो मैक्सिमम वी हैव कवर्ड एवरीथिंग इस पे डेटा जाता है इंटर कम्युनिकेशन होती है ना एपीआई गेटवे से कनेक्ट होता है लेकिन फिर भी मज़ा आ जाता है इतना मच्छर कहाँ से आ गया कूल गाइस तो इसको भी स्टॉप करता हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे अभी भी ईमेल में मैं देख रहा हूँ पुराना वाला ही है पुराने में वर्क कर रहा था अभी नहीं कर रहा है आई विल लुक इनटू इट कहाँ पे दिक्कत हो रही है अदरवाइज ठीक है मतलब नोटिफिकेशन ही है हमें कुछ करना नहीं था बाकी आई वुड से यू गो एंड कॉपी ऑफ द गिटहब से कॉपी कर लेंगे कोड कुछ डायग्राम दिखाने वाला तो मैं भूल ही जाता है यार कहाँ गया डॉक्यूमेंट्स में सागा डॉट आई ना सागा अपडेटेड वाला देख लेते हैं ओपन इन न्यू विंडो कर तो थोड़ा सा मैं जूम कर दे रहा हूँ जस्ट लेट्स सी सो सागा जो है you look at the diagram so what we have covered you can see We have Postman. I have not used Postman here. I directly used curly URL. But from Postman also we can hit it. And once we create the user, you can see the data goes to the request go to there is user Kafka topic in which user details are getting stored. And after that we have our, you can see, the card service. We looked into that, then we saw the inventory also. We created inventory directly, and then order service, we saw how in top everything other than that notification. Here you can see all the topics. So Kafka UI we can use for that, for visualization actually. And right after that we saw the payment service. In the DB also we checked payment related steps. And then what we did, और उसके बाद क्या हो गया, पेमेंट तक तो एवरीथिंग गुड. नोटिफिकेशन सर्विस में नोटिफिकेशन हमारा अभी जा नहीं रहा. अर्लियर आई हैड चेक्ड, आई हैड सीन द ईमेल. सो लेट मी शो यू फ्रॉम, अच्छा, ओल्ड मेल. Let me check if I can show you the old mail also. To JVP VNS, right? वैसे तो सभी आ जाएगा यार. From local host. User ID. Let me check this message actually. This should be there. So here you can see we have got the email. So it was not running properly, maybe I have to see. But yeah, this was the whole sum of the saga which I wanted to show you, and we completed it inside 3 steps. So Saga is used for DB, you can see, distributed transaction management for multiple DBs. You can see each microservice is having their DBs, and how we are going to see different retries. Shown you the retry scenarios. We can purposefully, what we can do, purposefully we can uh, make any Docker service to be down, Docker container to be down, and then we can see the retry in action. And then the topic, the messages would be go into the different failed topics, like payment failed, order failed, inventory failed, something like that. Those topics, there would be different scenarios. So I would suggest you to copy this from the GitHub, just clone it or fork it. I'm showing you the GitHub. कहाँ गया GitHub भैया? Yes. Look the name. Yeah, here you can see Saga choreographic. Go and copy this one or fork it and try to run it in your local, and then play with it. Go. I hope that should help. Cool. Awesome. So yeah, this was great actually, and I would suggest. And I would suggest one more thing, guys. What you can do, prepare the interview. For the interview, there are a lot of Saga related questions, and you can do and prepare that. You can ask the chat GPT or whatever. Ask the different scenarios, like what will happen in case of failure, what would happen if somehow payment is successful but order inventory is not raised, something like that. Different scenarios you can ask, and these are the scenario based interview questions, and you should be prepared for that if you are going to prepare for the interviews, right? So that should be good. I'm preparing. I know what questions interviewers ask. I have a lot of interview questions also, which I had appeared of myself. I can share that when I get some time. And other than that, I would suggest learn about Saga. Learn about Saga. Ask a lot of questions so that you can be better prepared in interviews. Cool guys. चलिए फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में किसी टाइम पे, किसी और टॉपिक पे करूँगा। अब सागा बहुत हो गया, आप बहुत ज़्यादा करूँगा तो आई वुड ट्राई कि एक वीडियो में बना लूँ सागा का पूरा वर्किंग। अदरवाइज इट्स ओके, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, किसी और चैनल से, यूट्यूब चैनल से देख लेना सागा का, ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। यहाँ पे बस मैं वर्किंग दिखा रहा था कैसे काम करता है कैसे नहीं, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पर आया तो मैं यहाँ पर ये नहीं कहूँगा कि सारा कुछ मेरे से ही सीखो, अगर सबका फायदा होना चाहिए। कूल गाइस, चलो ठीक है, स्टे ट्यून गाइस फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। मैं एक्चुअली बहुत दिन बाद एक्चुअली लाइव आ पाया हूँ, एंड इट वाज रीजन वाज कि मैं अपने दोस्त की शादी में गया था और आज जाके मौका मिला है, तो वी विल बी मेकिंग सम मोर वीडियोस। चलो ठीक है गाइस, आईपीएल देखो, कुछ और कर लो, एंजॉय करो। चलो, see you guys, stay tuned, bye bye, take care, have a great day.